Hey guys, over here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing a new 34-inch furnace for American Standard and a closet furnace and coil. It's a complete system. But you can see here, that's the furnace. That is the filter base, flue pipe, drain line. That's the float switch right there. That right there you see is the sediment trap for the gas line. New gas line, of course. It's got to have the red tip. That's up to code, and looks good. Looks really good. Let's go outside really quick. We're in the customer's home, and look at the unit outside. It's a chilly night too. Here is the outdoor unit. We're still working. Got a new pad system here installed. Armaflex, and looks good. Looks good. So call us for all your AC, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, 512-448-0532, 24/7 service. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.